I wasn't able to see every bad film this year. I've heard 9 Lives was pretty bad.
Eventually.
Jules Verne once wrote, "Put 2 ships in the open sea, without wind or tide, they will come together."
Jules Verne, nice. Hey, we can't write any dialogue, that's good. Just start the movie with a Jules Verne quote.
Jules Verne once wrote,
As Jules Verne once said, I believe cats to be spirits come to earth. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Oh, like 9 Lives, right?
"Yo, that hurt!"
Hey, didn't that guy turn out to be a pedophile?
Eventually.
Oh my god, it's that little girl from 9 Lives. You remember 9 Lives? That little girl who acted like a thought?
Why would you share this? I wanted to show some boys. If they see you when you're vulnerable, they want to take care of you.
You sent this one to half our class.
That was a joke.
Even though she was like 10?
Many months later.
Just get on with it.
Meow. Eventually.
I'm late, I know, stop calling!
Eventually.
That hurt.
Eventually. Eventually. Eventually.
Who's on the roof? He's gonna jump.
Eventually.
Sorry, some nutcase. Listen, we can still take him to court.
Ian, to be honest, how are you gonna get out of this?
I hate cats.
Eventually.
Hey, didn't that guy turn out to be a pedophile?